I talked to Micah about this when he was notified, and he laughed. He goes, well, this is kind of funny. I've never tried a case. And I'm like, well, but Micah, you're the brains behind every big verdict that we've been seeing come across the plaintiff bar for the last several years.
So one of the ways Micah has really improved our firm is making sure that the legal issues are taken care of the right way, making sure there's error preservation on appeal.
If you have a question when you're in trial, Micah's there to help you. If you are in trial and you want to protect your verdict, you bring Micah to sit through trial with you to help you with the different issues and to make sure that you've got a clean record so that once you get justice for your client, it stays that way.
Micah is one of the smartest lawyers I know, if not the smartest lawyer I know. My nickname for Micah is Rain Man. Because like the real Rain Man, Kim Peek, Micah has near perfect recall.
If you ever have the benefit of working with him at trial, you'll sit there and there'll be an argument and you're like, Micah, what are they talking about? And he's like, oh yeah, that's this case from 1987, and what you really want to look at is footnote 2. And the Supreme Court really talked about this. I'm like, why do you know this?
It's like chess, Micah's thinking 10 steps ahead. And so as you're presenting evidence in the trial court or even in the motion to eliminate phase, he's thinking about the appeal, which is way down the road. So it's very important to have somebody like Micah on your side.
We go to trial and it ends for us, but it never ends for Micah. He keeps going, he knows the record, and he lives these cases, kind of like we do through the trial process, but he lives them from the trial process onto the appellate process, the appellate Supreme Court process, and so he really knows what it takes to bring the case home for the client, because it doesn't just end at the verdict.
He's helped every great trial lawyer in this state and has made some wonderful laws for us, fighting for us in front of the Supreme Court that allows us all to get better verdicts.
He's not the one that's in the spotlight or even seeking that. He's doing all this to make our lives better and to help our clients and really to help out other people.
He has shown me that there are other attorneys out there that believe as much as I do, who are dedicated to the process so much that we sacrifice our family life, we sacrifice our health for the benefit of our clients.
When he sees a case, when he learns of the facts, he really cares about people. And it's that care that he has, that genuine, sincere care for others, that I think motivates him and helps him help you in your case.
The one thing you know every single time is that he's going to either win the right way or lose the right way, but either way you know that he's going to do it ethically and honestly every single time.
If I had one word to describe Micah Echols, it would be Oz. Because he is truly the man behind the curtain. He is the man with all the answers.
Brilliant. Hands down. He is the smartest attorney I've ever met.
Caring, honest, trustworthy, loyal, genuine, sincere, authentic.
Micah has been incredible for the NJA. He's been an editor of the Advocate. He's been on the appellate committee for the amicus briefs. He's sacrificed so much to help our community and to help the NJA be better as attorneys, be better as consumer advocates, and be better at what we do all around.
I think Micah's been so successful because of the things that we learned as a child. Hard work, dedication, commitment to the process, and there's no getting around it.
Being Trial Lawyer of the Year to me is an amazing honor and recognizes that there is a lot of work that is put into trial teams, and I've been on a lot of trial teams, and it's been a great experience. I became an attorney because I wanted to help people, including people in my own family, and then I've naturally just gotten to enjoy learning about the law. One of the absolute best thing about being part of a trial team is when we all work hard together and we succeed. Even in those cases when we don't succeed, we know we put everything on the table. It's just working with people who also work hard. Sometimes I get choked up when I go to take verdicts, and most people who know me, they think, hey, I'm a pretty stoic guy because I'm a law guy. But today when we went and took the verdict, and I saw Will Sykes there from my office, and I was tearing up a little bit, and I said, Will, I cry at weddings, funerals, and verdicts. In my personal life, I am most proud of my kids. They have just done so well growing up and dealing with lots of issues, and my wife helps them a lot more than I do because I'm working a lot. But I just love all the things that they've accomplished in their lives. In my professional life, it's kind of hard for me to say because I don't really look at myself and the things that I do. I just try to keep my head down and do my work and keep going. I know I've done a lot of work over the years, and I'm proud of that, but I'm not stopping anytime soon. I'd like to thank all of the people who have reached out and been a friend to me. And I could never name all of those people, but I will name a few that I can remember off the top of my head. Obviously, my family is very important. They've put up with me. They've allowed me to work long hours. My wife, Penny, who's here tonight. And I really have told these three people that I have three heroes, and that's Ben Cloward, Christian Morris, and Sean Claggett, who are all previous trial lawyers of the year and have really reached out and been great friends to me.
Micah, brother, I gotta tell you, the last 3 years have been one of the most entertaining, enjoyable rides I've ever had as a lawyer, and a big thanks to you. You've been amazing. There is no attorney that could deserve this award more than you. And I hope you and your family can enjoy tonight and celebrate, and as we all recognize you for being Trial Lawyer of the Year. Congratulations, Micah.
Micah, congratulations. This is much deserved. You're incredible. You're great to work with. We love having you here at the firm, and we're looking forward to many more years of success.
Congratulations, Micah. I can't think of anyone who's more deserving, and I'm so glad that we all get to recognize you tonight.
Congratulations, Micah Echols, on Trial Lawyer of the Year. You deserve it.
Micah, you're so deserving of this. I can't tell you how happy I am for you. You know how much I care for you. You know how much I respect and appreciate all that you do. I just want to say, man, I love you.